In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva email templates in Klaviyo. If you've ever tried moving a beautifully designed email layout from Canva into Klaviyo, you probably know it's not as simple as exporting one big graphic and uploading it. That approach can create problems with responsiveness, make your email harder to interact with, and reduce the overall quality of the final campaign. The better method is to break your design into clean sections and rebuild it inside Klaviyo using image blocks. That way, your email looks polished while still working more smoothly across devices. To get started, open Canva and go to your main homepage where your recent designs are listed. From there, find the project you want to use. This could be a newsletter, a promotional email layout, or a product showcase design. Open that file so you're working directly inside the editor. It's a good idea to make sure everything is finalized before exporting, because the cleaner your design is at this stage, the easier the next part will be. Now, instead of exporting the entire design as one long image, break it into separate visual sections. For example, keep the header banner separate from product rows and keep any call to action sections separate as well. This is important because stacked image sections behave much better inside email builders. When you're ready, go to Share, then Download, choose PNG as the file type, and export each section carefully. Make sure the slices are neat and in the correct order, so rebuilding the layout later feels simple and organized. Once your images are ready, open Klaviyo in a new browser tab and sign into your account. On the left-hand menu, go to Content, then select Templates. After that, click Create Template to start building your new email layout. Klaviyo will give you a few editor choices. Choose the drag and drop editor. This opens a blank email canvas with content blocks on the side, including text, image, split layouts, and buttons. For this workflow, the image block is the most important tool. From the left panel, drag an image block into the email workspace. As soon as it appears, upload the first PNG section from your Canva export, usually the top banner first. Then continue adding more image blocks underneath one by one until your full design is reassembled in the right order. This creates a clean, stacked layout inside Klaviyo's email structure. After that, click on any image that should be clickable, especially product sections or call to action graphics. In the settings panel, find the link address or URL field and paste in the correct destination link. This turns static visuals into interactive email elements and helps guide your audience exactly where you want them to go. Finally, give your template a clear title, save it, and return to your templates list. And that's it. You now have a Canva-based email layout successfully built inside Klaviyo in a way that looks professional and works much better for real campaigns. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.